John. How are you doing today?
Hi, Emma. I'm doing well, thank you. I just got a coffee before we started. What about you?
Oh, nice. I'm good too. When I was getting my coffee, I was chatting a little bit with the person working there. Just, how's your day? And it's a nice morning.
Ah, yes, those little talks, right? Not a big, long conversation, but just a few friendly words. They're important.
Exactly. And sometimes it can be hard to know what to say in English, especially if you don't know the person well. We call that small talk.
That's so true, Emma. And that's our topic for today. We're going to help you learn how to make small talk in English.
Yes. So welcome, everyone, to the English Speaking School podcast.
We're happy you're here to learn with us.
It's true. Small talk can feel like a challenge sometimes, especially when you're speaking a new language.
Yes, it can be tricky, but it's a good challenge to practice your English, and we'll help you.
Absolutely. So if you like learning about challenges like this and you want to improve your English, make sure you subscribe or follow our podcast.
That's right. Then you won't miss any of our tips and lessons on how to speak more naturally. Okay, so let's get right into our first tool for making small talk.
Yes, our first tool. What do we need to start?
Our first tool is very simple, Emma. It's asking simple questions.
Ah, yes, this is so important. Like questions about common things or about the person's day.
Exactly. You don't need a long, complicated question. Just something short and friendly.
For example, you could say, "How are you?" or "How's your day going?" These are always good.
Yeah, those are classic for a reason. Or if you're in a shop, you could say, "Is it busy today?"
Oh, that's a good one. Or about the weather, because everyone talks about the weather, right? You could say, "It's a beautiful day, isn't it?"
Yes, everyone talks about the weather. It's an easy start.
It really is. So let's imagine a situation. You're waiting at a bus stop, okay?
Okay, I'm waiting for the bus.
And it's a sunny day. Another person is waiting near you. You could just look up and say,
Oh, what a lovely day, isn't it?
"Yes," and maybe the other person says, "It really is. I hope it stays sunny." See, just a few words and you've made a little connection.
That's a great example. You don't need a long conversation. Just that simple question about the weather opens the door.
That's so true, John. Asking simple questions is really important for starting.
Yes, it helps open the conversation. But what happens after you ask a question?
Exactly. And that brings us to our second tool for great small talk. It works with the first tool.
Oh, I'm ready. What's our second tool, Emma?
Our second tool is giving simple answers and making small comments. It's all about how you reply.
Ah, yes. This is just as important as asking. You can't just ask questions forever, right?
No, you need to show you're listening and that you're friendly too. So if someone asks you, "How are you?" you don't need to tell them your whole life story.
Just a short, friendly answer, like, "I'm good, thanks," or "Not bad." Very simple.
Right. And it's also about adding a little something extra to your answer, right?
Exactly. Like if someone asks, "How's your day?" and you say, "Good," it's okay. But if you say, "Good, thanks, a bit busy, but good," that's better.
Yes, that adds a little comment. It shows you're open. So let's try it. John, let's do a role play now.
Oh, I like this idea. I'm ready.
Okay, imagine we're both at a coffee shop. We're waiting for our drinks, and it's quite busy. Many people are there.
Got it. I'm waiting in line. What happens?
I'm standing next to you. I look around and say, "Wow, it's really busy today, isn't it?"
Yes, it is. I think everyone needs coffee this morning. How long have you been waiting?
Oh, just a few minutes, but it smells so good in here, right?
It really does. I love the smell of fresh coffee.
Me too. See, John? That was a nice little chat. Just a few sentences.
Yes, and we used both tools. We asked a question, and we gave a simple answer with a small comment.
Exactly. And for all of you listening, remember when we said small talk can be a challenge?
Yes, it can feel a bit scary to start talking to someone you don't know.
But you just heard us do it. And you have the tools now. Asking simple questions.
And giving simple answers with a small comment.
So your challenge for this week is to try it yourself, maybe at the coffee shop or at the bus stop.
Just a few words. It's a nice day, isn't it? Or, is it busy today? Try it.
Don't worry about being perfect. Just try to use these simple tools. It's great practice for your English.
You can do it. Start small.
You can do it. Start small.
That's such a good point, John. But even with these tools, some people still make small mistakes when they try small talk.
Yes, that's true. What are some common mistakes, Emma, that people make?
I think one big mistake is being too quiet. People worry too much about speaking perfectly, so they don't say anything at all.
That happens a lot. They think, my English isn't perfect, so I shouldn't talk. But that's not right.
No. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes. Just try a few simple words. Don't wait for perfect English to start.
That's really important. Just try. Another mistake I often see is asking questions that are too personal.
Oh, yes. Like, you don't want to ask how much money do you make to a stranger at the bus stop.
Exactly. Small talk is about light topics. Stick to things like the weather, the coffee, or the local area. Keep it simple, not personal.
Good advice. Don't ask about people's jobs, their family problems, or very private things. Keep it easy and friendly.
And a final mistake is giving answers that are too short. Like someone asks, "How are you?" And you just say, "Good." And that's all.
Yes, and then the conversation just stops. Remember our second tool? Give a simple answer, but add a small comment too.
Right. So instead of good, say, "Good, thanks. A bit busy, but good." That helps the talk continue and shows you're friendly.
So you've learned so much today about small talk. You're really ready for this challenge.
Yes, you are. We know you can do it. Just remember our simple tools.
Exactly. Don't be afraid to try. We believe in you. Thanks for joining us today.
And we'll talk to you again next time on the English Speaking School podcast. Bye, everyone.